Montoya viral moment. Very European ang ang atake.
Which one?
Hello, we're gonna pee. Nag-stop kami to eat something. We're here. Booking.com by Jana. Outman.
I love.
Dessert for free.
We are ratas de cloaca.
Where are you going?
Tintos. We're going to the beach. Beach. Wait.
Taking photos. She's so cute, pretty. She's just gonna sing with people. Oh my god, oh my. Look at him. Karaoke. There's a lot of people. We're almost there at the beach. Perfect weather, no? Windy and sunny. The new Iban. A lot of people will build here. Go, eto na si Bob the Builder. No, this one first. Like half and then go, 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 go.
They are baby, sleep right now, sleep right now. If you don't sleep now, I am. Oh guys, look. No. Look on top of the roof.
We're gonna play
Yeah.
Oh, hindi ko po nabalasan naman. We're gonna walk around near the water kasi nag-sunbathing si Outman tsaka si Aida. Naglaro kami ng Uno. Nanalo si Tetay. Let's go get some ice cream. Feeling ko mahal kasi medyo malapit sa beach, pero we do not have a choice. Ito siguro sa may bar. Where is
Tagpunas?
Tagapunas po. Papunas naman dyan! I'm getting Oreo. Anything na may nata? We're going back to the beach. Wake up! We're still here. What time is it?
7:40.
Wow! Pa-sunset na, right?
Yeah.
Oh! We're going home to take a shower.
Hindi pa rin siya tapos, guys. Hindi pa rin siya tapos.
Unstoppable!
If I don't know, if I don't have, do I get one?
Yeah, feel.
Pagod daw siya, ha? Pagod daw yan sa lagay na yan. Diba? Recreating. Montoya viral moment.
Now the day bleeds into nightfall in a crowded place.
Ngayon na lang ulit ako nakapunta sa dagat ng gabi. Montoya! Espera, por favor!
Main character. Energy.
She's trying to touch the water. Whee! Good morning, guys. Good morning, Dad.
Wow, under the sea pala kayo ah.
Akala kababangon na.
Kami nyo.
Akala kababangon na tayo.
5 minutes, 5 minutes.
Sino ba dito ka? Ako din ba mo yan?
Naganuhan na sila kasi naman.
Malamig doon.
Ay, be, wag ko.
Sarado. Offer
Hindi
revolt.
pa malamig, pero naka-aircon doon. Hindi pumasok dito.
Good morning. I'm making some quick breakfast before we go out. So coffee and then nakaano kami ng eggs and then toast.
Good morning! You want some? Good morning! Good morning! Oh my god! Good morning! You want some eggs? Or what do you want for eggs? Bad siya.
Bomberos.
Yes! Oh, hello! We're going to the castle. We're hiking.
Aida! Policia!
I got your boyfriend.
Look at the view.
My friend! Bye!
All the way up there. We're here. Santa Barbara.
Hey! 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 Woo!
We're here. San Juan. Playa de San Juan. Oh, there are so many nets out, man. Oh, beach volleyball. Let's go, let's go. Walang tao. Kahapon sobrang sikip dun sa isang beach. Dito walang tao. Go, tatay, go.
Fly away. 5 minutes.
And we're gonna play here. We stopped playing. We watched volleyball there. Practicing for a TikTok. We have our Tito de Verano. They're gonna practice now, look. Now, Patropico. Stand. Yeah! Very easy. Body, sabihin mo yung katawan.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Body.
You're taking off your shirt. Like that. Like a stroke. Okay. So camera. Oh. Okay, let me practice.
Patropico. Ready?
Down, up. Straight, up. Ready?
Sunog na, Ben? Sunog na.
Grabe, be.
Layo nilakad namin, pero malapit na kami. Kasi gusto namin magpaeya for lunch. No, but we have a reservation, so we should be fine. Baka na yung slippers ko. We're gonna go for a walk, everybody. Di pa kami nag-swimming kasi medyo malumot dito, ah. Oo. Ay, yung wave okay lang, pero medyo madumi siya compare dun sa, ano, parang wala pa kaming nakikitang area na blue. Look, medyo brown lang siya. So, hindi naman siya nakakainggan yung mag-swim. Please look, nawawala yung kulay ng water. Look, it's transparent. Pero yung texture niya parang squid, octopus, tentacle. What is that? Akala mo, sabi ni Jana, nung Monday lang.
Akala namin end of the world.
Akala namin end of the world na. Tapos ngayon nasa, Playa. Got more groceries. Very Espanyol. Very European ang ang atake. Sandwich lang. Magkakanin talaga kami.
Magkakanin talaga. As in, dapat maka-order talaga sa Chinese restaurant.
Ayun. Pandesal na lang tayo. Where's the out man? Oh my God. Where's the tortilla? Out man!
You know.
The tortilla is na. Oh my gosh. It's stop.
You know, earlier he said, "Do you want to save time? Let's reheat the tortilla on the pan."
We love the best.
Mira. And then after he said,
Muy mal, Spanish boy.
Nos encanta la diversidad y por eso queremos esta tortilla de esta manera.
Say hi to the viewers in Spanish.
Hola, benvinguts. Soy catalán.
We've got waffles, tortilla, and lasagna for dinner.
The influencer doesn't know how to put the lights.
"No, it has to be like."
I'm a vlogger.
Follow his YouTube channel at Kramaki. What's up, Kramaki?
@Kramaki. Your best option. Your best guy.
And only option. SPG. Or rental guidance.
You're so bad. Going to a disco that Outman suggested. Ready, ready.
Vale. Vale, vale. Ok, gracias.
¿Y a qué hora?
We're supposed to go there, but it's so quiet. So he's calling now if it's open.
Venga, vamos a verlo.
Uwi na kami.
Ito na guys. Diyan. Siya ka bo. Sa kabo.
Hintay pa namin si Outman. Mayor kasi ito na ano.
Na-outcount.
Patakbo, patak.
Lahat. Kanto.
Kanto may kausap siya. Breakfast with ham, coffee, and toast. It's our last day in Alicante. Say hi. Over there. Magnanap lang kami sa magnanap kami sa beach. Dito na kami manggagaling mamaya bago umuwi. So di na kami maliligo. Ihiga-higa na lang. Yeah. This is the setup. Uy, the sun! Nasagtang ko. Oh. That's the vibe.
Wow.
Yung avion. Okay.
This book is so good, no?
Yes!
There are a lot of books of this, no?
Yes.
What is about the adolescentes relationship?
Fairies. Wala kaming lempo, guys. Ganito lang kami. We're gonna go for a walk. Tapos tingnan nyo kami, guys. Mira. Ang init, guys. Grabe. Kasi mga nandito, sobrang pula na nila. Yung ako na yung nasasaktan para sa kanila. Sobrang pula, grabe. Ito lang kami sa ilalim ng yung mga Caucasian. Yes. Pero mga 2 hours na lang pala kami. Tapos uwi na din para hindi pa daw traffic siguro. Tapos today ata hindi naman ganun ka-rainy. Pero the past few days super rainy sa Madrid.
Super, may tormenta.